Hi, I'm Rosa. I'm gonna take you along today as I organize my Butler's Pantry. So thanks for joining me on this video. This is the area we call the Butler's Pantry. And I have a mess. I am going to work on organizing this. Coffees, teas, some mugs. This is what I hope to declutter. You can see it's just a little room between this hallway and the kitchen. I picked up this 2 set of tea organizing boxes on Amazon to help organize that space. Here's the mess of teas that I want to organize, and the saddest part about all these tea boxes is that we don't drink that much tea. Here are the tea storage boxes filled and the boxes that I emptied. So all these boxes will get thrown out now, and some of the tea bags were wider, so I had to put them in sideways, and some I could just put front to back. But the ones that I put in sideways, I tried to make them where you could see them from the side. And this worked out really well, because now we can go in the cabinet and get the tea bags or see what we have without going through all these boxes to try to find tea. So that's part of the problem why we're not drinking it, is because we can't get to what we have because of the boxes. So I'm hoping this will solve that, and if we don't go through some of these, then I will consolidate again. But we have so many teas because we understand the health benefits of some of these teas, and we want to use them more. Now I have some of these that are in, like this one for example. It comes inside of these little papers. So those I'm going to keep in their boxes, since those wax paper or wax packages hold them better. And then these are extra boxes of the chamomile, because I like chamomile tea. And this is what I use to make iced tea for my son, because it's decaffeinated. So I use that and pour some lemon juice in there for teas for him. And I was trying this milk thistle. These cans, I don't necessarily like the teas, but I love these tins. So I'm gonna have to try the teas again, see if I want them. And otherwise, I may just have to get rid of these tea bags and just enjoy the tins. But for now, I'm just going to consolidate them in this bin where all the tea boxes were. But they are such cute tins. Ginger tea. They're not organic or anything, but they're adorable. But that's what I have left right now, and I just need to work on this some more. And here we are a couple days later, still working on this, which is fine because I'm just doing a few minutes here and there. I've gotten the tea back in here. I've put in one of these risers. You can see it there, so that I can put stuff up here and then have space to store underneath. And I just kept the stuff that we use. We have plenty of coffee pods, and I still need to clean this up. I'm still working on it. I'm doing it slowly. Instead of just spending a few hours and getting it done, I do it when I have time and I'm thinking about where things should go or where they should disappear to or be donated. So I have my mugs up there, and I definitely have more mugs than we use, but we like getting the mugs from Starbucks that tell you Been Here series. I have my extra coffee on top. That didn't change. The wine at the very top didn't change. When I open a bag of coffee beans,
I put them in these tins. I just reuse them, and then I use those at the coffee maker. And that's where I am.
This Butler's pantry is in such a tight little space that it's hard to get the camera in. But you can see my cabinet is organized, and I'm going to work on this area.
So this looks a lot better now. And I have some stuff to put away in the kitchen. And of course my cabinet looks good. So I'm going to put some water in the Nespresso, and I think it's good for now. I think this is how I'm going to leave it. I've added one more thing, the teapot. So now there's room on the counter for it. I'm gonna have it here. And thanks again for joining me as I organize my Butler's pantry, and I hope to see you in the next video.